Hi, folks. It's Dan with West LA Computer Expert. Um, I was interested in this extension for Chrome, a newer one, along with all the rest. It's called ChatGPT Personality Selector. So I thought I'd give it a run through. I open it up. You can have it show its startup, but I turned that off. And the default it comes up with is the English language category Net Enabled Chat GPT. So it searches the web like Bing, ChatGPT. But you have all these other options: coding, arts, games, music. And this one caught my eye. The default net enabled ChatGPT, and personalities. You have choices. The default for this one is Inter AI ChatGPT with net. I think that's the only personality for this category. And a voice. It's also audio recording, so playback with these built-in Microsoft voices, and then some Google, which is the only ones I have on my computer. So I'm gonna give it a try. I already ran the query, so I just clicked apply personality, and what I asked it was just simply what's so great about being a PC tech, which is what I am. And here's what it came up with. It outlines the instructions for this prompt. Make sure to cite results using notate URL number URL notation. This is what the specifications of the output. Be precise and use academic English. Stick to the user's request. The user can formulate requests concerning the search results. Respond in a formal manner. All responses should be in English. So number one was about income for a PC tech, and this is current information because it's a net search rather than the ChatGPT being trained until 2021. I believe it goes out on the net and looks for content. Number two, common benefits, um, health insurance, and then they have a source website that the information came from. So it does go out on the internet. Uh, is responsibility setting up new computer system and installing, maintaining, troubleshooting the software. Good information. Uh, Number four, supporting organizations. Yeah. Number five, duties, testing connections and operating systems and individual devices to ensure computers function well independently and part of a larger network. Good information. Uh, these are more about income. Looks like a low hourly rate to a high hourly rate in the United States. Uh, the average salary, 19.25 per hour in the United States. I charge more than that. uh, More advantages um, involved in patient care. You can go into the healthcare industry, computer technician. More about what you earn. Pressures of jobs can be too much to handle for some. Very true. The edge of becoming a computer technician, maybe. So it's sort of redundant. Um, and then it gives a summary of all the stuff it found out on the net. Um, Summarizes the salary, um, responsibilities, finance, and advantages. So I thought I would try another query while I have you. So if I go back to personality settings and leave these same defaults and apply personality, it says provide me with a question to get started. I was going to ask it, tell me about, my keyboard isn't working very well, about some prominent YouTube PC techs. Just curious about what my niche, other YouTubers in my niche, if it can come up with something. So if I ask it to search, they're calling it SearchNet, prominent PC techs YouTubers, um, and it's having problems returning the results. Kind of stalls. I don't know if that's ChatGPT because I don't have the pro version, or whether it's this plugin that stalls. We can play the audio. It just plays back.
SearchNet, prominent PC tech YouTubers.
So that,
SearchNet, prominent PC tech YouTubers.
let's try a refresh. Um, Still didn't come up with anything. Let me try the query again. Leave it at defaults. Um, let's get started. Please provide me with a question. Okay. Name some prominent YouTube PC techs. Maybe this time around we'll get lucky. Searching prominent PC techs. Yeah, came back with some results. Let's see what we got. Uh, Top tech channels on YouTube include, I don't know any of these. Average Consumer, Marky Brownlee, Crazy Russian Hacker, Linus Tech Tips, I definitely know about. Austin Evans, Jonathan. I could look these people up. Vote for your favorite YouTube tech channel below. So it's from a ranker.com about top YouTube channel techies. Computer hardware YouTube channels listed by popularity. Um, Tech Yes City, I've heard of them. Looking for tech advice. These guys are not covered. Another website, just a YouTube video about the subject. Marquis is one of the most prominent YouTube, particularly in the tech sector. Some other names to look into. List of the top 10, another link, uh, remoteverse.com. PC gamers watching a gamer YouTube channel. 18 million subscribers, 16 million subscribers. Austin Evans. See, I'm kind of behind things. I don't know these people. And I should start collaborating with them if I want to build my channel. So this is a really good resource for me in particular. Um, so they're talking all about how Bing ChatGPT can search the web, but this little plugin, personality settings, ChatGPT Personality Selector, can go out and search for relevant information. Another category, if you're looking for tools and Blender Helper, some of these personalities. Oh, they're calling like Excel sheet a personality, CSS generator, Blender Helper, voice, same voice. I don't know what I would ask it for tools. How about uh, give me some Chat GPT Chrome CHROME extension and see if it can search here. So it got stuck. Maybe if it enter generating. I guess it's a little buggy, but based on the search here, popular and prominent PC tech YouTubers. Oh, came back with a list in a list. Nice. This is very useful for me. Is there anything else I can assist you with? Um, as a Blender PC expert, that's what category I use. I can give you objective to plain text, provide me with the name steps to follow on Blender. As Blender, I can some experience using the software for a variety of projects. Not sure what all that's about. Um, I don't have specific Chrome extensions. However, there are some Chrome extensions that use my language. I guess Blender is a language for those coders out there. Generation code to provide various features such as chatbot, text prediction, copy AI. Um, these are, I guess, based on that programming language. Grammarly. These are commonly known. They're not Chrome extensions. Well, Chrome, they are software, but they have Chrome extensions. This is interesting. So I hope you guys try this one out. It's just easy to find on Chrome as a Chrome extension, ChatGPT Personality Selector, other categories, music, funny learning, medical coaching. And then I guess if you have more than the built-in Microsoft languages, you can use them. I think we could play the recording and see what it sounds
As an
like.
AI language model, I don't have a specific Chrome extension. However, there are some Chrome extensions that use my language generation capabilities to provide various features such as chatbots, text prediction, and language translation. Here are a few examples. Copy. AI.
So that's interesting. First time I've seen a Chrome extension to ChatGPT that does audio. So it's advancing every day. You find a new tool, AI tool, and ChatGPT seems to be expanding with these outside developers, making it even more useful. So I hope you guys got something from this little video, my experimentation with another Chrome extension. So if you like this video, please like and comment and subscribe if you already haven't. Bye.